Hallo Deutsch 1 Schüler. We are going to be discussing 3 sets of 3 sentences. So the first set are I'm hungry, I'm eating a pizza for lunch, and the pizza tastes delicious. The second set of 3 sentences was I'm thirsty, I'm drinking water, I'd rather drink a pop. And lastly, the third set of problems were my brother brings food for dinner. He is hungry. He likes to eat a hamburger with cheese, ketchup, and mustard. These are the 3 that we're going to be focusing on, or the 3 sets. Now, to say I'm hungry and I am thirsty in German, they literally say I have hunger. So to say I have hunger, you say Ich habe Hunger. Ich habe Hunger. When we look at the next sentence, we see I'm eating a pizza for lunch. Now, unlike English, where you can say I'm eating or I eat, in German you will actually just keep your focus on the shortened phrase, I eat. So I eat a pizza for lunch, I'm eating a pizza for lunch. In German, you will just use the pronoun and the verb. Ich esse. Ich esse eine Pizza zum Mittagessen. Ich esse eine Pizza zum Mittagessen. For lunch, they use the expression zum Mittagessen. Ich habe Hunger. Ich esse eine Pizza zum Mittagessen. What did you eat for lunch? Was hast du zum Mittagessen gehabt? The pizza tastes delicious. Die Pizza schmeckt lecker. Die Pizza schmeckt lecker. Oh, ich habe Hunger. Ich esse eine Pizza zum Mittagessen. Die Pizza schmeckt lecker. That is our first set. The next set we have I'm thirsty. I'm drinking water. I'd rather drink a pop. So I'm thirsty. Remember what we learned from the first part. It literally is I have thirst. In the first part we said Ich habe Hunger. Here we're going to say Ich habe Durst. Ich habe Durst. To say I'm drinking water, just like in the first set where we said I'm eating, we talked about how we just will stick with the I eat or I drink conjugation of the verb. I'm drinking water in German. You just say Ich trinke Wasser. Ich trinke Wasser. If you would like to say I'm drinking a water or I drink a water, you would just put ein. Ich trinke ein Wasser. Now this next sentence is a little bit different in that the word that is underlined, I'd rather drink a pop, in German, the verb will be the second part of the German sentence. In this case, that is trinke. So here, we're going to say Ich trinke, and then you will use the phrase lieber. So in like English, where you say I would rather, in German, you will say I drink, and then put the word rather. So ich trinke lieber eine Cola. Ich trinke lieber eine Cola. So here we have the phrases Ich habe Durst. Ich trinke Wasser. Ich trinke lieber eine Cola. Last set of 3. The first part says, my brother brings food for dinner. He is hungry. He likes to eat a hamburger with cheese, ketchup, and mustard. We're going to start with the phrase, whoops, sorry about that. Okay, so my brother brings food for supper. Now the word for to bring in German looks very much like the English. It is bringen. Bringen. Now, unlike the first 2 sets of problems where we were primarily focusing on ich habe, ich esse, ich trinke, Here we're now talking about my brother. So the verb is going to end with a T. So here we have, mein Bruder bringt das Essen zum Abendessen. Mein Bruder bringt das Essen zum Abendessen. Now, you don't have to have the. In my English sentence, I have, my brother brings food for dinner. Here, you could just say, mein Bruder bringt Essen zum Abendessen. The word Essen, capitalized, is the noun for food. So, mein Bruder bringt Essen zum Abendessen is what you would use for this translation. My brother brings food for dinner. Mein Bruder bringt Essen zum Abendessen. The very next phrase we have is he is hungry. But remember, we don't say he is hungry, we say he has hunger, which would be hat Hunger. Hat Hunger. Mein Bruder bringt das Essen zum Abendessen. Hat Hunger. Now the brother must have gone to Runza, or maybe he went somewhere else, but he got a burger. So the person is saying he likes to eat a hamburger with cheese, ketchup, and mustard. The part we're going to focus on are these non-highlighted, well, we're focusing on the whole sentence, but we're focusing on the word order here. He eats, and then you'll put the expression of liking. So you would say something like, isst gern einen Hamburger. So unlike in English, remember, we will just switch these two words around. This is somewhat similar to this phrase where you say, I'd rather drink a pop, where you say, ich trinke lieber. So you're just switching those two words around. He likes to eat a hamburger. Isst gern einen Hamburger mit Käse, Ketchup und Senf. Now, there's a couple of useful words here. With, mit, and Of course, you already know that one. Isst gern einen Hamburger mit Käse, Ketchup und Senf. Senf is the word for mustard. We are going to learn how to say the different types of foods shortly. So these three sentences are, my brother brings food for dinner. He's hungry. He likes to eat a hamburger with cheese, ketchup, and mustard. Mein Bruder bringt Essen zum Abendessen. Hat Hunger. Isst gern einen Hamburger mit Käse, Ketchup und Senf. Let's just go back up to the middle one. I'm thirsty. I'm drinking water. I'd rather drink a pop. Ich habe Durst. Ich trinke ein Wasser. Ich trinke lieber eine Cola. And lastly, we have, I'm hungry. I'm eating a pizza for lunch. The pizza tastes delicious. Ich habe Hunger. Ich esse eine Pizza zum Mittagessen. Die Pizza schmeckt lecker. I hope this helps, and I look forward to making another video for you tomorrow. Auf Wiedersehen!